In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace an image to vector in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have an image in here. For me, I have this Canva logo over here, which I'm going to demonstrate this on. So when you have it in here, you want to click on that specific image like this, and then you want to go to vector up top, and you want to click on image trace. When you do this, it's going to pop up this image trace box over here, where you can select the edge threshold and then the curve fitting tolerance via these two slides. Now, if I zoom in over here, you'll be able to see what this does. So if I slide this to the right or to the left, it's going to basically change it a bit. Now, if you're working with a low resolution image, it's going to be more of an effect. But for me right here, as you can see, this logo is in very good resolution. So there's not much effect. There's no much difference. You could also go down here. This is amazing. You could open up the split view, and then you could see after and before. As you can see on the left, there's after. On the right, there's before. And you can see how this is actually changing whenever I change specific metrics over here. Now, there's, again, not much difference right now. But for you, if you're working with maybe a blurrier image or something like that, a low resolution image, you'll be able to go ahead and see the difference. Now, make sure you do this. And here in the text, as you can see here, so this is after and before, there's actually visible changes. So if I go to text and if I put this on very low over here, both of them, it's going to kind of change this text here, as you can see, and then you can put it to the max here, and it's going to again change it a bit and make it and kind of alter it. Okay, when that's done, you could also do the mirror view, which will basically allow you to see before and after again, but this time it's a mirror view. So left is after, right is before, and then whenever you're done, click on no split view, and then just click on apply over here. This is going to take a few seconds. There we go, it's done. And then here, this will basically create a group. If I now click on here, you'll be able to see there's going to be a bunch of different things. So there's a bunch of different curves actually, and these curves are those inside the letters. Okay, so I can just put these out, as you can see, and now I've basically got it like that. So that's a bit funny, but still, of course, this will split your image into certain parts and create it a vector, okay? And this vector is going to be very, very high res. As you can see, no matter how much I zoom in there, it's still very high resolution. Now, you could also move these parts and create kind of a different color pattern. So I could just use this bit here and actually make it a different color in here. Like, for example, I don't know, like this or something like that. And of course, this can come very handy in case you're working on a project which requires to do this. So that's how to trace an image. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.